G'day friends, welcome to MERMAY, the video day 22.
Day 22.
Recorded on day 25. Question, Janine's got a question from day 20.
Oh, okay.
Get into this timeline drama.
Okay.
So Janine's, the part of the question is, James, if you could be an animator for any Disney movie, which one would it be? Steve, if you could be a voice for any Disney character, which one would it be? So I'm gonna take The Little Mermaid as animation, because if I was going to draw anything, I'd probably want to be in Mermaids or part of the Disney Fairies franchise. Possibly on
fun.
Peter Pan, maybe, actually. I don't know. Yeah, either one.
But what if you did Peter Pan and they said you have to animate all the pirates?
We're taking Peter Pan off the list then. They would do that to me
or
too.
If did Little Mermaid, they said you need to animate Scuttle.
Yeah, I was like, can I do 101 Dalmatians, thinking I could do Cruella's gowns, and they say, just do all the dogs.
All the dogs.
Just do all the spots.
I mean, somebody has to do that.
I
too,
know.
for sure, but
Yeah, don't discredit that work, Steve.
I'm not discrediting it
How
at all.
dare you?
I'm not, but I know you. I know what you're like.
Yeah, well, I want to do what I want. That's probably why I've kept most people out of my business for the past few years. No, it's fine. I can work in a team sometimes.
Okay, what was the question again?
What do I describe myself as the other day? A bulldozer.
Did you describe yourself as that?
Yeah, I said I was a bulldozer
Well,
with my opinions.
I mean, hey, I'm glad
People know that though.
Yeah,
I think.
I appreciate that you have self-awareness. What's the question? You're a little sassy today, sir.
I'm not saying it's a good thing either. I'm saying maybe I wouldn't like to be in that situation. I'm agreeing with you. I don't want to be in that situation where they say you have to animate Scuttle, because I would come in very strong with why I shouldn't have to do that.
It's like, when you're in high school, sometimes you think like, oh, when I grow up, I'm going to be different. But it's like, no, you're still kind of the same personality that you were back then.
My mom said,
I'm the class clown. Chances are you probably still have a lot of class clown tendencies.
I would say that's kind of true.
Because like I still find myself even being a little irreverent in church.
Well, my I think some of the mums could answer this. My mum said that you're pretty much like you are who you are, and that it doesn't really change a ton from when you're growing up.
I mean, I loved Disney as a kid, and I still love Disney as an adult. I don't, you know what I mean? Or there's things that I like. The music that I liked when I was a kid is still a lot of the same music that I like now. Yeah,
but you're an ask why person all the time. That didn't change. You're still why.
Right.
Why?
Why?
You know that little kid that always just says why?
Uh-huh.
That's Steve.
100%.
Unless he already knows why and he doesn't want to know.
Yeah.
In which case he's a silent person. No, your question was, if you could be the voice of any Disney character, which would you be?
I don't know if I would necessarily change voices, because I think everybody's pretty intentional in where they're at. A movie that I think would be fun to be a part of, be obvious with it, would be Coco.
Yeah, you would want to be one of the singing voices in there?
I would just do any voice. I would literally be
Pepita.
Yeah, I would be growl. I would growl for Pepita, or I don't know. I would do anything. Only
Give us a go then.
Part of why I think it would be fun is just because I think it was pretty prolific in that it's a beautiful movie with all Hispanic voice talent, using Hispanic artists, and it's empowering in that way. And I think it's also kind of history making in that way too.
You'd want to be just a part of it for the cultural significance and the importance.
And because it's also a beautiful story and a beautiful movie.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's one of those weird questions because you assume you're going to say your favorite thing, but you also don't want anything about your favorite thing to change. Like, I would love to be in The Wizard of Oz, but would I want it to be any different than what it was? No. So I'd have to be hidden behind a tree or in one of the Munchkin Land flowers or something and just not come out. Because I don't want to ruin what I love about it.
Right,
I wouldn't want to animate the Neverland Mermaid scene. Otherwise, it would
you
never
love
be
them
what I
the way
loved
you
about
loved-
it.
right.
Yeah.
Or would they inspire you the way that they have inspired you? I think.
I don't think they would. It's kind of like that. I'm going to bring it back to this really weird analogy. It probably doesn't make sense, but the sandwich you make yourself never tastes as good as the sandwich someone else makes.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches don't ever taste as good as when your parents make them.
Yeah, or apparently when you get them from a local cafe, which apparently I didn't know was a thing, but we had a very gourmet peanut butter and jelly toast.
Delicious. Let's go get one right now.
It's good. Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh, see you later, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.